Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo at Parts People, and in this video, we'll outline the steps for completing a part replacement on your Dell PC. Visit our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, you're going to unlock and lift battery out of laptop. Then unscrew and remove access door. Next, unplug hard drive cable. Now unscrew and remove hard drive. Now unplug antenna cables. Now unscrew bottom base. Next, press in keyboard latches and loosen keyboard. Then unplug and remove keyboard. Now unplug power button and touchpad cables. Next, unscrew and remove palm rest. Then loosen the display cable tape. Now unplug the display cable. Next, loosen the display and antenna cables. Then unscrew hinges and remove the LCD display assembly. Now carefully unsnap the LCD bezel, working your way around the edges of the screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.